Here are 7 AI tools you can use to start a 50,000 rupees per month side hustle in 2025 to 2026. Every tool on this list is beginner-friendly, requires zero technical skills, and you can start today. Welcome to Earnify AI, where we turn AI power into everyday income. If you want practical AI tools, automation ideas, and side hustles that actually work, make sure you subscribe. Now let's jump straight into the list. Tool 1, OpusClip. OpusClip is an AI tool that turns long videos into viral shorts automatically. You can offer short-form video editing services to creators, coaches, businesses, and influencers. Why this makes money? Everyone needs shorts today, but no one has time to edit them. What you can charge: 8,000 to 25,000 rupees per client monthly. How to start: take a client's YouTube video, upload to OpusClip, export 10 to 15 shorts, deliver weekly. Tool 2, Jasper AI. Jasper AI helps you write blogs, ad copies, emails, social media posts, and even scripts like this video. You can offer writing services on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to small businesses. Why this works? Businesses need content daily: emails, captions, product descriptions, blog posts. Earning potential: 500 to 1,500 rupees per article, 15,000 to 40,000 rupees per month retainer using AI. Tool 3, Notion AI. Notion AI lets you automate workflows, write documentation, summarize notes, and build templates. You can create Notion templates and sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own store. Popular Notion templates: habit trackers, project managers, business dashboards, finance trackers. Earning potential: 30,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month selling digital templates. Tool 4 in the ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs allows you to generate studio-quality AI voiceovers. This is perfect for voiceover services, audiobooks, YouTube channels, ads, and educational content. Earning potential: 500 to 5,000 rupees per project, 20,000 to 50,000 rupees per month from recurring clients. Tool 5, Canva Magic Studio. Canva Magic Studio gives you AI design tools to create thumbnails, posters, templates, logos, reels, and even full brand kits. Side hustle ideas with Canva: thumbnail design, social media posters, YouTube channel branding, resume design, template selling. Earning potential: 5,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month depending on volume. Tool 6, ChatGPT Automation. You can use ChatGPT for automation services like email replies, customer support scripts, automated workflows, research summaries, chatbot setup for businesses. Side hustle example: set up an automated customer reply system for small businesses using ChatGPT. Charge 3,000 to 15,000 rupees per business. Tool 7 is to Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI gives you advanced research power with verified sources. You can sell research services like market research, script research, blog research, competitor analysis. Earning potential: 3,000 to 20,000 rupees per project. If you found even one tool useful, hit the like button so YouTube shows this to more people. And subscribe for AI income ideas every week. This is Earnify AI, turning AI power into everyday income. See you in the next video.